Hey guys, I just wanted to take a second to talk about Apple and their guidance call. Um, I I don't understand honestly where I like Apple, right? So Apple, I think everybody should have it in their portfolio, but I think this oversold reaction for everybody that sold off Apple, I think it was an overreaction. Their guidance call is actually pretty good. They essentially, they doubled their all. They think that, well, actually not doubled, but they think that um, all their wearables, their Macs, the laptops, the iPads, everything was up, and for their guidance was actually really good. They think that they're actually going to double their wearable sales and their iPads and the Macs. And as far as the iPhone sales, it was low because I mean they were basically put on a month lag for iPhone sales. Like they pushed the month sales, the iPhone sales out a month, and their supply chain is affected. So I do think this Apple sale was an overreaction. I do think it's gonna recover, but from the top today, it did drop like almost 10% from the top to down here, which is pretty crazy. But I do think this is an overreaction.